then Article 3, of course, has been elaborated by J.B. Muturi in his ruling. Article 10, I'm on a point of order, Honorable Speaker, and protect me, please, Honorable Speaker. I am on a point of order. You just take your time
Chepkonga,
and respond.
just let him finish.
Yes.
He's about to finish.
What is the...
Then you can...
What is the jittery about? I am on a point of order.
Honorable Chepkonga, you're out of order. Allow me to listen to him, then rule on it. You can't rule from your seat.
Honorable Speaker, thank you very much. Honorable Speaker, I'm particularly referring to the Value Added Tax Act of 2013 that this amendment bill is proposing to amend. Honorable Speaker, the first question is the VAT Act 2013 a money bill or not? The answer is it is indeed a money bill. And the proposer of the bill is suggesting to delete section 268(2)(a). Honorable Speaker, money bills are provided for under Article 114 of the Constitution. Honorable Speaker. Article 114 of the Constitution. And I will take you to Article 114, subarticle 2 of the Constitution. Honorable Speaker, Article 114, subarticle 2.
Honorable Wandayi, because, like I've just asked you, that particular statute amendment bill is not presently before the House. It will be before the House in the coming days. Then you can be able to submit as you're submitting, because now you're doing it in a vacuum.
Honorable
so even if I were to give a ruling, it's impossible to give a ruling as it is not before the House.
The Honorable Speaker, I'm just concluding. My point is this. Article 114 or subarticle 2 of the Constitution requires that if, in the opinion of the Speaker of the National Assembly, a motion makes a provision for a matter mentioned in the definition of a money bill, the Assembly may proceed only in accordance with the recommendations of the relevant committee of the Assembly, after taking into account the views of the Cabinet Secretary responsible for finance. That is the point. The point here is, has this proposed amendment to the VAT Act 2013 been taken through the relevant committee? Is there a report from the relevant committee? Has it acquired, has it received the concurrence or opinion of the CS Treasury? That is the point. The answer to this question, Honorable Speaker, is that it has not.
Okay.
And therefore, the business is before the House. Even if it is not on the order for today, it is before the House. The business is before the House and procedurally.
Wandayi.
Is altered.
Okay. Honorable Wandayi, that particular statute amendment bill will be coming to the House at some point in time. Right now, you're speculating and anticipating debate. Let us wait until the matter is properly before the House, when all the other members are able to access the documentation from the table office so that they can also be able to give a counter argument to your argument. But now you're debating yourself. Yes, so let us, you've made your point and you've put it well, so let us proceed. Yes, and raise it.
To proceed on the day the matter will be on the order paper. That doesn't negate the issues I have raised. Very weighty constitutional issues, Honorable Speaker. And whoever is responsible for this bill must take note. Honorable Speaker, thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Wandayi. I think they have received the message. So let us wait until the matter is before the House, and there is no point to debate on it because it's not even before the House. Honorable Wandayi, I hope we're not talking about this matter because it's not even before the House. We are just speculating and anticipating debate, and no one else in the room, probably save for the two of you, know about it. So let us wait until it's properly before the House.
Just to be on record, Honorable Speaker, it is proper that we comment on this matter. The Honorable Wandayi brought this matter properly before the House, and I want to commend him on one thing, that no one in this parliament is interested in passing a law that is unconstitutional. It will be foolhardy for us to sit here, pass a law that we know is unconstitutional, and actually let it go, because we swore to protect the Constitution. So, Honorable Speaker, much as there is substance and a lot of substance to what Honorable Wandayi is saying, but this House also has procedure. And as you have ruled, Honorable Speaker, we agree with you